Hi, I'm Scott, here at the Houseboat Lima Bean that I'm about to convert to outboard power. I installed a 1/4-inch thick plate of aluminum over the whole transom in order to cover all the holes left by the inboard motor. It also adds additional support, and since I didn't want to cut the transom down in order to hang the outboard motors, I constructed a bracket system to go off the back, which will give a few other advantages as well. These are the two main components of the bracket system, constructed out of stainless hardware. They will allow the motors to raise up and down vertically with these hydraulic cylinders, which will let me get into really shallow water, and also allow me to run the engines while I'm flushing them with fresh water completely out of the water and vertical. I'd bring you in for a closer look, but I really don't want anybody copying my engineering. Actually, I just don't want you to see my welds. I just taught myself how to take aluminum, and it shows. Alright, well, I got the brackets all bolted up and ready to move forward with hanging the outboards. So this is how they're going to move. Straight up and down for shallow water running and flushing the engines while the boat is in the water. Kind of like a jack plate on steroids. But before I hang the outboards, I'm going to do some cross bracing here, although each one of these individually is more than strong enough to hold these outboards for a few reasons. One, I want to do a swim platform between them, and another, so I want to experiment with different spacing of the outboards. The Go Fast boaters say put them as close together as you can in the middle, which this is no speedboat, but I want to try that just to see, and I also want to try putting them out as far as I can to the outside. Mainly I want to have steering control when I'm in a side wind, with the advantage of having one in forward and one in reverse. So makes sense that the farther apart they are, the more influence you're going to have. But they may work just fine close together in the middle. I don't know. I've never had twin engine boats, so we'll find out. Yeah, so just a couple of angle cross braces on here for now. I'll probably do some kind of cross bracing in here, or maybe a plate to keep them synchronized as they're going up and down, and add some stability. But I'm also going to have to figure out a way to clamp these outboards on here without drilling any holes just yet, so I can try some different spacings with them. Now, don't try this at home, but these Warner ladders make great engine hoists. I actually use this one to pull the engine in my car. Well, there's one. And there's two. Now, I've just got some little plates backing it up right now. I'm going to need to make some kind of a pretty rigid brace to clamp these on right now, because I don't want to drill any holes yet till I know exactly where I want to put them. Now, the way these are set now, the ventilation plate is even with the bottom of the boat. So I should be able to come up maybe even 2 full inches with this much setback. But some sea trials are in order. And now that I've got these hung, I'm going to set up a little canopy back here to keep me out of the sun. And I know what you're thinking. Yes, Virginia, I reinforced the inside of the transom. Because this boat was never meant to have a pair of outboards hanging 18 inches off the stern. So I've got a couple of pieces of 1/4-inch plate and some 2x2 angle bolted directly down to the stringers, which are pretty new. So that should do the trick. That's nice. You know, honestly, I'm fine with heat. That's why I moved this far south. But don't really want skin cancer. And this Florida sun will cook a mess of shrimp on a piece of aluminum. That makes for a completely different boat now. I like it.